Hi, I'm Nikki from LINK.1st, and this time we're going to be talking about securing domain name. I believe it is essential in the advertising industry that you have your own name or own branding name. In LINK.1st, we understood the importance of it, hence securing your domain name options. And finding the perfect domain name should help you set up your success, as it is not just a web address. It is a powerful branding tool and the first impression to your online audience, and also the digital home for your visions. By the way, this feature is available for users with all subscriptions plan. So all you have to do is click on the Secure Your Domain Now button, and a pop-up screen will show you giving the options to find or search the availability of your preferred domain name. Let me show you an example. So let's try new domain name or new domain 2. Okay. From the example I use, it appears that I can utilize it. And if you feel like you would like to proceed with your preferred domain name, make it yours by clicking the Make It Yours button below. In securing your domain name, it will be followed by a respective billing cycle of your choice. So here are the options. It is worth noticing that even though they vary in terms of the pricing, they still have the same promotion of having it for free for the first year. And a quick random as well with their pricing, starting from $18.99 for 2 years of ownership of the domain and so on. Now, you'll notice as well that the pricing of the 4th to the 10th year of ownership is 51% off to the first 2 options. And as it was mentioned above, it can be cancelled anytime. So, say I select 2 years option and hit next. You'll be directed to the payment detail page. And here, you'll click standard payment and then proceed to fill out the necessary details to complete the whole process. Then there you have it. I hope this is clear and have a good one.